Just 1 tablespoon of this, and your plants will grow and bloom 5 times faster. The flowers will be so lush, their stems will bend under the weight. You won't be able to keep up with the vegetable harvest. And the best part? You already have all the ingredients at home. The first ingredient is oats. They're full of essential micronutrients like phosphorus, iron, and magnesium. These support healthy growth and boost plant immunity. Put 1 tablespoon of oats into a blender. Grind them into a fine powder. This helps release nutrients faster. Then, take a larger container and pour in about 1 quart of clean water. Add 1 tablespoon of the ground oats and mix well. Let the mixture sit for an hour. During that time, the oats will release all their goodness. After an hour, strain the mixture through a fine sieve to get a clear liquid. Your homemade eco-friendly fertilizer is ready. Water all your garden flowers and vegetables with it. You'll see a difference in just a few days. The plants will be strong and resilient. The harvest will be 5 times bigger. Use this oat fertilizer once a week for best results. Pour this into the molehill, and the moles will disappear from your garden in 1 day. It's a great, homemade, and inexpensive solution. Making this mixture only takes a moment. Start by preparing a tall container. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This powder has irritating properties for the sensitive sense of smell of moles. The next ingredient is powdered fire starter. Its intense, penetrating smell is unbearable for moles. Also add 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper. It has strong, irritating properties and acts as a natural repellent. The sharp smell irritates the nose and skin of animals. Now add dish soap. It works as an emulsifier, allowing the ingredients to combine better. Add 2 tablespoons. Finally, add 5 tablespoons of white vinegar. Vinegar reacts well with the baking soda, and its intense, sour smell lingers in the soil. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. You'll notice a thick, bubbling foam forming in the container. This is a desired effect. Pour the foam directly into the molehill. You don't have to destroy it. The moles will immediately leave the area and never return. This is the most effective method for naturally getting rid of moles in your garden. I pour it into the molehills, and the moles disappear from the whole garden. A small amount is enough to get rid of them, even in 1 day. Here are some home remedies for moles. One of the simplest methods is to use vinegar. Like many animals, moles can't stand its smell. If you pour vinegar into each molehill, the mole will definitely leave. 1 teaspoon is enough. Pour it into the hills, and the moles will quickly leave. The smell of castor oil repels moles. So instead of throwing away expired castor oil, pour it into the molehills. It works even better when combined with garlic, which moles also dislike. If you have a dog, its fur can help you. Put it into the molehills. You can even toss your pet's droppings in there. When a mole senses danger, it will leave the area. Instead of throwing it out, toss it into the molehill. Moles hate that smell. Put fish scraps into the mole tunnels and wait. The smell of old, rotting herring is very effective at driving them away. When it starts to bloom, pick the yellow flowers and place them in the hills. Their smell affects many rodents, including moles. Tansy is one of the best pest repellents. Similarly effective are branches of elderberry, thuja, or walnut leaves. These plants contain substances that repel moles, voles, and other rodents. Moles are animals that hate getting dirty. So pour a good amount of buttermilk or kefir into their hills. Use these methods and the moles will disappear. Stick a regular screwdriver into your lawn. This simple test will check the condition of the grass. It can help you save your lawn from yellowing and bare spots. Taking care of a lawn is not the easiest task, especially in the summer. Watering the grass is one of the most crucial factors. Most people don't know when and how often to do it. It turns out that you don't have to do it by guesswork. The screwdriver test is the best guide. You just need to take a long tool, preferably over 15 centimeters. Stick this screwdriver into several spots on the lawn. If the tool goes all the way into the ground, it means the grass doesn't need watering. The soil is soft and moist. However, if the screwdriver stops or requires a lot of force to be inserted, it's a sign that the soil is dry. Grass roots are shallow, so such a lawn should be watered as soon as possible. This simple method was shown to me by a gardener. I have been using it for a few weeks and my lawn is greener and more hydrated than ever before. I put it in the molehill and the moles flee from the garden. Just 2 things are enough to keep them away. When you see molehills, act immediately. First, grab an empty plastic bottle. You'll also need a drill and a stick. Use the drill to make a hole at the bottom of the bottle so the stick can pass through and hold it in place. Next, take a marker and draw 4 rectangles on the bottle, leaving one long side uncut. These will be your cutting lines. Use a utility knife or scissors to cut along the lines. Fold the cutout rectangles outward as shown in the video. Press them at the base so they don't bend back into place. Now, insert the stick through the hole at the bottom of the bottle, and you're ready to go to the garden. When you open a molehill, you'll see a tunnel inside. Brush your dog and collect the fur. Don't throw it away. Instead, place some in each molehill. Moles avoid dogs, and the scent of fur will keep them away. Additionally, use the bottle. When the wind blows, it spins and makes noise. Placed in the molehill, it will scare the moles away. This simple trick will help you get rid of moles in your garden. A single spoonful is enough to get rid of moles in the garden. You can make a mixture from it that will chase away all the moles. If you have a problem with moles in your garden, try this cheap and effective homemade solution. Preparing this mixture takes just a moment. Start by heating 300 milliliters of water, which will be the base of the solution. Add a tablespoon of coffee. Its intense smell repels rodents, including moles. Then pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar, whose strong odor effectively discourages these animals. Add a tablespoon of cayenne pepper to make the solution even more unpleasant for moles. Finally, add a tablespoon of granulated garlic, known for its pest-repelling properties. Mix everything thoroughly to get a uniform solution. Before use, dilute it. 100 milliliters of the mixture is enough for 1 liter of water. Regularly pour the solution into all the molehills. Remove the top layer of soil to reveal the entrance of the mole's tunnel. Pour the prepared liquid into it. It's best to do this in the evenings when moles are most active. This natural remedy is safe for plants and pets. You can use it without worry. Try it and you'll get rid of moles once and for all. Pour into the molehill if you have a problem with moles in the garden. This is a great homemade and inexpensive solution. Making this mixture takes only a moment. First, prepare 300 milliliters of warm water. This will be the base of our solution. Add a tablespoon of coffee, which with its intense aroma repels all rodents, including moles. Then pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar, which will effectively deter moles with its sharp smell. Add a tablespoon of cayenne pepper to the mixture, which will make our solution even more unpleasant for moles. Finally, add a tablespoon of granulated garlic, known for its mole and pest repellent properties. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until a uniform solution is formed. To start using it, dilute it. You only need 100 milliliters of the mixture per liter of water. Pour it regularly into the molehills, preferably in the evenings when moles are most active. This natural remedy is safe for plants and pets. Try it yourself and say goodbye to moles once and for all. Get rid of moles once and for all. Just 1 tablespoon of a homemade mixture will scare off all the moles. If you're dealing with this problem, be sure to try this simple and inexpensive method.